Muwaziri bw'ekibesa kurwase Kaunti ya Nyamira Emily Ongaga ni gobonero tukulia lero aika bosi bwe komiti ya bete kogo chorwa erikonyara kunengia obokorri bwaje aya ni gago chama yabo MC kurwase Kaunti eyo babete bakoire ngana buna Emily Ongaga akwisiko kurwase kerwekyo ky'obwaziri bw'ekibesa ni ge komiti eyo ekurawono mu MC Dio Kimasira ase bategerera ensemo yaye Emily Ongaga buno mulikito kurwase Kaunti ya Nyamira Job Maangi agotomanya
by impeachment of Miss Emily Ongaga.
Maiga yaba MCA gwetia omuswada woko morusia omuwaziri bwenibo Emily Ongaga nigo aika bosio bwe kamati ekolingolia okoruswa kwaye abisi.
The truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Yale delegations ambazo zilikuwa table in the assembly. Haikuwa kitu mingi, ila tu kumsikiza ajitetee mbele ya kamati hii. Mengi mtayapata wakati tumekamilisha kuhoji kila ambaye aliyetajwa.
Egatia mamocho akagire gokora ajubaligia airanerie amachibu nobo tumeki obobe bwabisi okoruse kibesa asichinjira kitarindonge na mamocho ande
that I will not be able to pay the 120 million. I'll be paying this and this and this. Did you share with them?
Why were you giving a contradicting information that you had itemized the 60 and you hear now it's selling 35?
Kako bwate sigwa no mwakili oye mbairaneria amaboli ayo.
Reading section from the invite 195.1 read together with 2. Yes. So it sits as a high court. That is why
it's not a high court, but it sits as.
Once you have the powers of the high court, then you're bound to conduct your business as the high court should.
A motion that will affect my career, will affect my livelihood. So therefore, if I'm given an opportunity to make improvements, we learn by the day. And I'm only requesting that the committee will be human and consider as they make their report. That's all I can say.
Nonyanigo omunyakirogo bwe kamati ya Duke Masira nate abamba chikolika oroboti oroikeranu igoro yenganeye na koroikia bose bwe bunge ye Kaunti ya Nyamira.
Igo lero nabututa twara mange because ndero twa motegereire kotegerera tuli na bandi twarangeretie asingenjo yoko rosio bo saidi boisaine ase ogocha kwera ni report yetu gochiese ase mbuli koranga amangana twatumitwe buna makosa aligetwe buna nandi twa motegereire na arebo gose nugukagera igo litukuria lera nene no gotegerere birengereri biaye tuirane na into kanto gochikorike report lituko toraira ni report into bamanye so that nine moja kuunga buna nine mu ategereire kakete no ni numu bwate majibu make lakini ese into kanto toraje turike report na litora batebi what should be the resolution ye committee to the house.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV.